testing my new GoPro Hero 8, and I'm just gonna run some experiments, see how bad it is with wind noise, windows up, windows down, all that good stuff. This Walmart action cam mount is not great and super shaky, so we're gonna see what we can do about that. Who knows, maybe the image stabilization will just compensate for all of that and it will just be super smooth, but I doubt it. Man, that shakiness is awful. Windows down, see how bad the noise is. I feel like the last suction pump out I had was pretty solid. This one, not so much. So it's just bad. Got 60 miles an hour. See what that looks like. See how good this turns out, or bad this turns out. Running our GoPro with the chest harness. See how this does. Whoops, a little gravel. Alright, let's go.